kids, it's me, Super Siah.
Hi super kids, it's me, the real Goldie.
And so today we're doing the
3-color slime challenge.
3-color slime challenge.
Yeah. All you guys have to do is to pick 3 colors from the slime, the glues that we have here. Can you show them, Gotti?
Here we go.
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have
Red and pink,
what color is Siah?
gray and white,
That's glow in the dark.
glow in the dark, and
Blue.
and glow in the dark.
So what colors do you want?
Glow in the dark, blue,
Wait about me. I want glow in the dark too.
and red.
Okay, well I think we have decided.
That's the colors that they want, guys, but they don't know that their eyes are supposed to be closed and they're gonna be picking whatever color that they don't know.
For real?
You guys don't even know what color you're gonna get, so put them all back in the bowl.
Okay.
Good shuffle.
Can you guys close your eyes? Super kids, I'm gonna give it a big spin for them. No picking, Super Siah. So, Siah, pick one first.
This one.
Don't open your eyes, Gotti. You go second. Okay, Siah, go again.
This one.
Gotti, Siah, Gotti.
I'm left with the last one, but I know what it is though. It's glow in the dark.
How did you know?
Because the glow in the dark ones are square, and I'm so smart. And it has a ripple, so you know the difference.
I have this one.
Yes, you do. But I got both the glow in the darks.
Yeah. So are you guys ready to make this slime?
Yes,
Here's
I
your
am.
bowl, Gotti.
I don't even know how to make slime, Siah. So you're gonna have to teach me.
You have to put glue, then some.
So today you guys are making the easiest slime ever. All you need is the coloring glue and some lotion and borax.
Glue.
Look at my glue. So how do we start?
Start pouring in the glue.
Like this?
No, you
Open
could
it
take.
off.
Yeah.
Wow.
Mine is gonna look.
I'm gonna start with the glow in the dark one.
Ooh. Both of you guys started with the blue
Likes to
glue.
copy me.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put pink in mine.
Alright, I'm done with that blue. Now it's time for this blue.
What color is that? That's silver.
Silver.
Silver with the glitter.
I love glitter. How's it looking in here?
Mine is looking so
Ooh,
cool.
this looks
I
like
got you,
unicorn
Siah.
color.
Right? Ooh, wait till I add the other one. It's gonna look like a mermaid type of.
Ooh, can't wait to
wish I
see
could
how
take
this
some of your
looks.
Silver. Look at this.
This is gonna be
so cute.
awesome.
I'm glad.
But wait till you have to mix it all together to see what it turns out looking like mixed.
I'm putting some red to it.
You got your red. Ooh, Siah has red, white, and blue. That's what it looks like, red, white, and blue.
I need some more blue in mine because pink is just. And I'm gonna put some lotion.
I'm gonna put 2
That's my
in at a
Special
time.
ingredient.
Yep, this is the key to stretchy slime.
I put a little bit more glue.
Do I? You know what? I'm gonna make it stand upside down so it can go to the bottom. Do I put the borax in now?
After you start mixing, then you put the borax.
Put some more red.
If you guys love her hairstyle, don't forget to click the link in the description to go to her channel. She has nice, cool videos on there.
At the real Goldie. I'm gonna start mixing mine.
I want to see how it looks mixed. I'm excited. Siah, are you ready to mix too?
Let me see Siah's. Ooh,
That looks so cool.
that looks really cool, Siah.
I'm
Ooh,
already
he's
mixing.
mixing.
Look!
This
Look
is
how I
so
mixed it.
pretty. Look at mine.
It's so pretty. I almost don't even want to see how it looks
Oh my
mixed.
God, yours is really cute though, Siah. Mine look like some mermaid unicorn.
Poop.
Oh wow, this is really, really cute.
Yep.
If I, could
I
put
like
some
how I
more
put the
pink.
sparkles.
Yours look all gray.
That silver really. You wanna switch some colors?
You guys hear Cloudy back there. He just wants to come out and play, but no playing for you right now, Cloud.
Who wants to eat the slime? I need to put some more glue.
Don't make it fall.
I added some more glue.
Yeah, it's a sponge.
Ooh, when I put some red in it, you can tell it looks more better. Look.
Yeah. Oh, now it's like overpowering the silver.
Mm-hmm.
Mine just is turning
Turning
blue.
baby blue, yeah.
Uh-huh.
It still looks so pretty. If you guys can see all the glitter.
Yeah, and like a little bit of purple, yellow.
Yeah, it's still so pretty.
That's funny how it's just so blue.
Yep. Are you ready to activate it?
I'm ready to activate it.
Now, the key to making slime, little by little, but I always get impatient and just pour a whole lot.
Should I shake it up?
Yeah, you can shake it up because some of the crystals are down there.
I'm putting some.
Super Kid, this is a big test for you. Yeah, little by little.
Really? That little?
Yeah, because it might just activate. You're gonna start noticing how fast it activates.
Ooh, look at it. I
Okay.
need some more glue.
And then you
Oh,
add,
wow.
you see, so activating a little bit. So you add a little bit more. But if you add too much, it gets hard and it don't stretch. Yeah.
Put a little bit of the glue.
Okay.
So it should be a little bit, not like this, only color.
You guys, this one's my favorite so far because
my
it looks like a
God.
unicorn
What about
slime.
mine?
Yours looks like a silver platinum slime.
I'm gonna add some blue.
Yeah, add as
Blue.
much color as you want, kiddo.
How do I know if it's ready?
Ready? You have to start kneading it with your hands. Yeah. So if you touch it like with your one finger, you'll see if it sticks on your finger or not.
It sticks on my finger.
Yeah, so you know that's how you know you need some more.
I'm gonna know how to make slime after this.
Yes, you are. She's gonna graduate the Slime Academy.
Wow.
I love how I'm making my
Let me see
slime.
your slime. I like the colors.
Ooh.
But mine glows in the dark.
Oh yeah, Super Kid didn't get any of the glow in the dark colors, didn't he?
Can we share some?
We can.
Nah, not right now, guys. Not a part of the challenge.
I forgot.
Please.
Please. No, mister.
I think mine is almost.
I need some more, a little more bullets.
Yeah, you need a lot more borax, Siah.
say.
You never put a little bit.
I've been dabbing and dabbing borax.
Good job.
I just want it all to be, you know,
Sticky?
not sticky actually.
I mean stretchy.
Yeah,
You gotta add more borax.
I see.
Right now, look at that. You can see a little bit of blue. I'm just gonna mix
You
it.
think it's ready to be touched?
Mine's?
Yeah, because after a while you have to knead it. That's the only way it'll turn to
Okay.
slime. I think.
You
Let
think
me
it's ready?
touch. Ew, I don't think it's
I
ready
don't
yet.
think it's ready either.
Oops. Okay, guys.
Do I need?
Here, guys,
I was
let's
just
pour
about to
some
say, do I
lotion.
need some lotion?
Oh, I need some lotion.
I got you, buddy. Alright, here you go. You need some lotion on your knees too.
I know.
Ashy legs, ashy legs.
I need a lots of it.
This is a workout.
It really is. Everybody who thinks slime is just easy,
I thought this
it's
was
not.
easy. It's not as easy as I thought, but I think mine's almost.
Done. You can also put some borax on your hands before you touch it.
Girl.
Yeah, and that helps.
So you think I should start
Kneading it, yeah.
kneading it? Is this?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Hey guys, so this is how our slime came out. Look at mine. So pretty, but it's so hard.
Yeah, why do you
I
think
really
it...
like this glue?
Me
Oh,
either.
You don't like it neither, Super Kid? Why don't you like this glue? How did your slime turn out? Can we see? It looks gray and silver
It
with
just
sparkly
turned-
stuff.
But it looks like it's turning purple.
I was just about to say it looks purple.
Even if it makes it together, it will look way more cooler.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Ooh, let's see.
Let's see.
More fun.
More fun.
All
Yeah.
right, Siah, stretch it.
Oh, it's giving it superpowers.
What do you guys think
It
of
feels
our
so weird.
morphed slime? That color is awesome though.
Yeah.
See that?
If you add more glue.
It looks like a nice
Hey, got
rock.
this little piece.
And you hear it making noise.
Ripping and stuff.
Okay. This
Can
is
I see this
pretty
one?
Cool, Siah.
My slime is way cool.
Both of your slimes good. Look like a
I
geode
think they
crystal.
look better together.
They do. Yeah, they look real cool stuck together.
It's using its superpowers. Feel it.
Ooh, ooh.
Hi, Super Kid. See you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe to her channel too.
Yeah, the real Goldie.
Bye.